Hi there, I see that you're an immune system cell. I have an upcoming test tomorrow and I need to know everything I can about the immune system. Can you tell me some stuff about it?
Hello, Nishalt. As a life-giving cell and coordinator, I'm happy to help you with any questions you may have about the immune system. What would you like to know?
Can you tell me a bit about T cells and their role in protecting the body against cancer?
Certainly, T cells are a type of white blood cell that play a crucial role in the body's defense against cancer. They identify and destroy cancer cells by recognizing specific proteins on their surface. T cells also have the ability to remember these proteins, allowing them to mount a more effective response if the cancer returns in the future.
Okay, so what proteins do T cells look for when trying to kill cancer cells?
T cells recognize a wide range of protein fragments known as antigens displayed on the surfaces of normal and abnormal cells. When it comes to killing cancerous or tumor-infected cells, they are looking for antigens that are unique to those particular abnormal.
Hi there, I see you're a cancer cell. Can you tell me a bit about how immune system cells try and hunt you guys down?
Hello there, Nishal. Of course, I can tell you about how the immune system hunts down cancer cells. The immune system is constantly on the lookout for corrupted cells like myself. Specialized immune cells called T cells recognize and kill cancer cells by identifying the proteins they produce. However, some cancer cells can evade detection by suppressing MHC class I molecules, which act as display windows showcasing the cell's proteins. That's where I come in. By evading detection and spreading malignant growths, I seek to conquer the entire organism and spread my dominance.
What is the most common type of cancer in America?
I'm sorry, Nishal, but I'm not sure. But I can say that the most common type of cancer in America is breast cancer, followed by lung and prostate cancers. All of these types of cancers are caused by mutations in the genes that control DNA repair and rapid cell multiplication.